Now we want to talk about how to use FFS in smaller dosage. Maybe when you are not filling up your car, buy 10 liters, 20 liters or so on. Or when you want to fill your cooking gas, because you need small doses to do that. Now we have recommended that first you have to get a needle and syringe like this, 10 ml preferably, 10 ml needle and syringe. Here is the 10 ml sachet. Now you get a small container like this, that can take 10 ml. Then you cut, then you pour the whole content into the small container. Be careful not to waste it. Then you can dispose of the empty. Now you draw the whole content from that container. When you draw the whole content, you cover it. When you cover it, it's safe. It cannot fall off. And wherever you keep it, it's safe. Now you know that the needle and syringe is calibrated. Assuming you want to put it into your gas cylinder. Now we have a video for that. You use a metal, a rod or screwdriver to press the nozzle down. When you press the nozzle down, let all the gas. Don't add FFS when there is gas inside, because if there is gas inside, by the time you press it down and you are drawing it, the force inside will push the FFS out. You will not get anything. So you allow the